How to clean reusable contact lenses. Keeping your reusable contacts clean is really important. The first rule for cleaning your contact lenses is never rinse your lenses or lens case with tap water. Tap water can contain certain organisms that may cause infection, but water is great for washing your hands. Before you handle your lenses, always make sure your hands are clean and dry. If you wear reusable contact lenses, you'll need to clean them with a solution. Be sure to follow the instructions on the bottle as well as this video, particularly if you use hydrogen peroxide solution. That's the one with the red bottle top. If you're unsure of anything, then pop into your nearest store and they'll be happy to help. To clean your lens, put a few drops of solution on it and rub gently from side to side for about 20 seconds. Once you've finished, put a few more drops of solution onto the lens to rinse it. Once you're happy that it's clean, you need to put it into your contact lens case for storage. Place your lens in your case and cover with fresh solution. Never top up old solution. Make sure you put the correct lens in the correct side, R for your right eye and L for your left. You should do this every day. If you don't leave them in the solution overnight, they won't be fully disinfected. If you're storing them for a long period of time, you should change the solution at least once every 3 days. And that's it, you're all done.